Hi lovely people, and welcome to the Pharmuni.com product walkthrough. Today I'm going to step you through everything from creating your account right through to downloading your certificates and updating your CV. So let's jump straight in and go to Pharmuni.com. So starting from the Pharmuni homepage, to create an account, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click Join for free. You can register with an email and a password, so old school, or you can register with Apple, Google, and Facebook. And once you do that, you simply log in. Welcome to your dashboard. This is where you will land after logging in. In your dashboard, you can see your skill tree, your applications, resume and cover letter builders, your courses, certificates, as well as a summary of the courses that are in progress or completed for yourself, and a summary of any jobs that you have applied for. In some other videos, we will go into these features in much more detail. So let's take a look at the skill tree. Now this is center stage of your dashboard because this is here to give you a visualization of where you are progressing in the set categories that are in alignment with our e-learning course catalog. Now my skill tree is going to look different to your skill tree because it depends on what courses you have completed. Each time that you complete a course, points are allocated to your profile depending on the category and the points in that category. So as you go along and the more courses you complete, you will see your skill tree dynamically evolve and change just as you as an individual. And yes, we have big plans for the skill tree. In the next updates for our skill tree, what we are looking to implement are clickable categories that will show you the top recommended courses in those categories. So as an example, if you would like to do more in regards to manufacturing or supply chain, you will be able to click on that category and see the courses that will give you the most points in that category. What we are also looking to implement are focused area groups of courses that will enable you to get a new certification based on particular bundles or groups of topics that are relevant to job roles within the industry. Maybe that's management and leadership. Maybe it's pharmacovigilance. Maybe you're moving into production batch management. Maybe you're moving into a specialized area of regulatory, or maybe you're even moving into sales and marketing for a pharmaceutical company. So keep posted on pharmuni.com and watch out for our updates. Let's take a look at my resume. Here we've built a tool specifically to help you create a resume against the EU standards. This will capture all of the relevant information that you need to present to a potential employer. When you first start, it will step you through each of the different sections where all you need to do is input the information. After you've completed filling in your resume, you can use the options at the top here. You can download a copy of your resume as a PDF. You can share your profile, so you can create a link to your profile. You can also edit the custom URL. So as an example, you might have a different name at the end here. Maybe you want to have something very particular for a particular recruiter. You can do that as well. Alternatively, you can view this as a public profile. So in the future, when a recruiter wants to come and view your profile, you can see exactly what they are going to see. And this is where those profile pictures come in very important, because you want to have a professional, fabulous looking profile picture that displays who you are as a professional. So the next feature we're going to have a look at is the cover letter builder. To get there, simply come to your dashboard and click on cover letters on the left-hand side. Now, if you haven't started one before, simply click the Let's Start button. So why do you need a cover letter? Well, in some application processes for a job role, a recruiter might ask for both your CV or resume and a cover letter. And a cover letter is a way for you to communicate and demonstrate that you're the right person for the job. So addressing both the essential criteria, the desirable criteria, and also behavioural attributes. So to create your cover letter, simply come in and fill in the information and then click the Save and Preview button. After you have saved your cover letter, you can come in and export that as a PDF and attach it with your applications, or you can come in and edit the cover letter at any time. So let's have a look at the section now, My Applications. If you have applied for roles on the Pharmuni job board, all of them will be listed here. You will be able to see the status, the date it's applied, and whether you have any direct messages from the recruiter. The best thing about this part is that you will get status updates in real time. So no more waiting for several weeks to receive a letter in the mail or an email. As soon as the recruiter updates the status to show whether you've moved along in the progress of the application process, or if you've been unsuccessful, you will receive that information straight away. Also within here, you can see the chat. So if the recruiter has any questions for you, maybe they need more information, they will open up a chat with you here and you can talk directly through them with the Pharmuni application. So how do you start a course after logging in? From your dashboard, go to the top toolbar and click Explore. From there, click Explore Courses. And this will show you our entire catalogue of available courses. Select the one you like, and then let's have a look at the course tab. I would like to start the course for storage and transport for production batch management. And to start the course, I'm going to select Start Learning Now. The course module will open in a new tab, and all you need to do is select Play to start the course. The course will progress automatically for you, and once at the end, you can close that and take the quiz. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the functionalities within the actual course module. So once you open the course module, you click play and each slide will automatically progress for you. So don't forget to listen, read, and absorb that information. On the bottom left-hand side here, you have an option to increase or decrease the volume. You can go full screen. You can change the speed of the slide. So whether you want to go faster or slower. On the right-hand side here, we have a previous and next button. So you can click through the animations of each slide. Alternatively, you can use the course outline on the right-hand side. So you can click through. You might want to go back to a particular slide, or maybe you want to go through to another slide. However, do remember that you must go through every single slide in the course for it to be considered as completed. And it is also very important that you do read and take in that information because there is an assessment at the end. So let's talk about downloadable resources. In our courses, once you open the course module, in the top left-hand corner, you'll see a button called Downloadable Resources. And within that, you will have a course summary PDF, which is all the text from the course module in a document that you can read at any time. If there are any particular templates that are relevant to the topic, so as an example here for the project management course, we have some templates that we've included for project initiation, a resource assignment, and a business case so that you can download these and use them in your day-to-day work. So you're now at the end of your course and you have gone through every single slide as a part of the course module. What you can do now is close the window and take the quiz. So once you close the window, the application will update to show Take Quiz, and you can click that button and you can now take the assessment. To start the quiz, after you've clicked the Take Quiz button in the course page, it will open the quiz for you in a separate tab. To start, click the Start Quiz button, read the instructions and click Continue, and then answer the questions to the best of your abilities. To pass the quiz, there is an 80% pass mark. So out of 10 questions, you need to get 8 questions correct. Okay, so you've passed the quiz. Now, how do you get your certificate? There's 2 ways to do that. You can come back to the course page and click Receive Certificate, and that will generate the certificate for you, showing your name, the date, the expiry date, and the unique certificate ID for yourself. You can download this as a PDF. The other way to do that is through your dashboard. So you click on My Dashboard here, come to Certificates, and here you can view the certificate that you've just created. Take control of your career today by signing up at pharmuni.com. You will gain valuable skills, certifications, and a personalised approach to your career growth. Whether you're looking at a job change or looking to get that promotion, it all starts at pharmuni.com.